how to disable BitDefender in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our BitDefender antivirus right here. Now, once you do that, keep in mind that there is no options wherein you can just click one button to disable the BitDefender. So what we're going to do here, if you don't want to uninstall it, is to manually disable all of the protections that they have right here. So let's go here right there. So click on the protection, and then on the antivirus, just click open, just click settings, and then of course, just turn off the BitDefender shield right here. But in my case, I don't want to do it. So if you want to disable it, just click that. And then once you're now done with here, just go here on the privacy. So just go here and then of course also disable all of the privacy that you can see in this part. Same goes for the utilities. So all you have to do is to do that and then just go here on the settings. And then on this page, go to advanced and then also disable the proxy server and then the product report. So the next thing that we can do is to just go here on my account and then click go to central and then just click here the security. And then on the protected device, just click device options. And then if you want to, of course, remove it, you can do that. So just click remove right there and then just click remove. Or the other way that we can do is to, of course, uninstall the BitDefender so that the BitDefender will now be disabled entirely. So if you want to use it again, just download it again. But of course, it takes time, so it's really up to you. So that is basically how to disable BitDefender in Windows 11.